G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Gonna do a little review video. Don't usually do this shit. I usually just delete all those emails, but this one was from Olight Australia and they wanted to send me out a torch. So I'm like, hell yeah, I could use a torch. So let's have a squiz at this bad boy. Alright, so this is a pretty nifty little contraption. First of all, molly bag. Gotta love molly. So let's get it out and have a squiz. Alright, so convenient little carry case. Difficult to do one-handed, but there we go. Look at that carbon fibre. This is the Seeker 2 Pro. Love this thing. One of the cool features is the charging system. So it just has a magnet that snaps on there and you can get this little mounting bracket that you can mount to the wall or in your car or some shit like that. But the reason I like this thing, guys, is because it has a few little features that could potentially save your ass if you're in the shit. So let's go through them. So because this thing is small, compact in design, I thought it would be a good one just to strap onto your little bag or whatever that you carry around, backpack, whatever. I carry this on my little molly camera bag thing that I keep all my gear in. So whether I'm in the boat, on the bike, in the 80, I've always got that little bag. So it just clips on. And I did get the opportunity to use it in the boat. So I'll show you that footage of when we were out. It was pitch black and I thought pretty good time to test it, so have a squiz, see what you reckon about that, and I'll show you a few more options, times, places where this will come in handy and potentially save your life. No shit, check it out, have a look. Yeah, so pretty good. Got a few different power settings. So we've got that one. Oh, there you go, there's the powerful one. That's better. I thought the other one was a powerful one. Then dim. Shit. Yeah, that's pretty good. So as you know, live in Australia. Lots of dangerous animals, creatures out here that want to kill you. One time where that might be a problem is if you're up the shed having a few tinnies, you know, and you need to go for a squirt. So you want to have this bad boy in your pocket of your Dixon flannel. Just because, you know. Fuck. Buttons. Let's go. Alright, so guys, you're just wandering out. Go and drain the main vein. You want to make sure you don't step on Terry the Taipan. You know, that'd end your night pretty quickly. So just scout the surroundings. You got a few different power settings here. Get extreme. Look how cold it is. Shit. And make sure the coast is clear. Dim it down because you don't want to show off. I suppose once the coast is clear. Alright guys, so another time this little contraption could come in handy is if you're out in the bush on a quad bike mission and you remember when the sun goes down that you're an idiot and you forgot to wire in your headlight. No big deal. You can just zip tie the little pouch or, you know, just the torch straight onto it. You know, anywhere you can get a couple of zippies on there. Your little charger doobie, just magnets on the back. Like so. She's on, charging into your cigarette lighter if you got one, which I do. So that's handy. So you could zip tie that on the front. Boom, you're out of trouble. Crank her up. Ridiculously cranked up. Back coming into the house or camp. Don't wake anyone up. Ninja mode. A good spot to mount it would be next to your pig. That's where I'd recommend personally, but you know, each to their own. There you go. Laughing. Another thing the Olight torch can actually do if you're in the outback, wilderness, wherever you live, doesn't have to be Australia, you can order them, but can actually help you start a fire in a survival situation. So I'm going to demonstrate that right now. Alright, so all you got to do is get yourself a bit of kindling, and that's all you really need to start a fire, a bit of dry shit. And we can pretty much start a bushfire from here, so I'll show you. Alright, so obviously this is filmed in a controlled environment. You need said kindling shit, you need your olight, and basically turn it on. Make sure it's on max power setting. There we go. Sit it in there and just let it do its thing. Should only take a minute. And there you go, guys. We got fire, baby. Oh yeah. Oh fuck. Alrighty, boys. Well, another time where this thing could come in handy and potentially get you a feed is when you're in the Australian outback and you're looking for tucker, bush tucker, you know. So let's show you an example of that. But first, we better get into costume. Alrighty, boys, let's go hunting. We'll see if we can find some bush tucker for dinner. We'll go and have a bit of a scout around, eh? Let's get into it. Alright, well, here we go. We're just having a prowl around, see what we can find. You can usually find a good feed anywhere in the Australian outback, but you just got to be careful, you know, so you do need good lighting. Just got to have a prod around, find some berries or, you know, furry animals, something you can eat. You know, really. Stick that away, make sure Terry the Typing's not in there. Oh, Corona, fuck that. Nobody wants to catch Corona. We'll leave that alone. Oh, look at this. This is what we're after, boys. Beauty. Now that right there should make a good dinner. That'll keep you going for a while. Oh yes. Let's take this in before it bleeds out. Oh, what a score. Definitely what we're after. Oh, so fresh. That's tough to beat, guys. Cheers, Olight. Love your work. Alrighty, guys, I've got one last little life hack for you where the Olight could potentially save your life. You never know until shit gets real. So, middle of the night, it's pitch black. You hear noises, you can't see nothing. You can hear shit. What do? You put it on super power setting and turn it from this into, you ready? 3, 2, 1. Well, there you go, guys. The best torch of 2020, in my opinion, Olight Seeker 2 Pro. Check them out. Link in the description below. Tell them the pig sent ya. Cheers, boys.